Welcome to OSR Garage. I'm Jim. We're going to talk about a few things today. One is going to be the V8 Bronco that's coming out. The next is going to be the new lift kits for the Broncos and tuners for the Bronco Sport and new pictures of the Bronco Raptor. So first off, we're going to talk about the V8 Bronco. This is going to be a 2023 Ford Bronco DR, as in Desert Racer. It's going to have a 5.0 Coyote engine with 400 horsepower. It's going to have 37-inch tires. This is going to be a turnkey off-road racer. They're only producing 50 of these, and they'll be available in late 2022. And they are planning to race it in the Baja 1000 in 2022. And price tag on this is going to be about $250,000. Okay, so next we're going to talk about the new Bronco lift kits that showed up at SEMA. One in particular is the Super Lift. Now has lift kits for the Bronco, and they'll be available in 2-inch, 3.5-inch, and 6-inch kits. Ford Performance is also releasing a Bilstein 2-inch lift kit, although it's not compatible with the Sasquatch. So if you order yours without the Sasquatch package, which is what a lot of people did so they could get their Bronco earlier, you now can go to Ford Performance and order that Bilstein 2-inch lift kit. Now for the Bronco Sport. Livernois, or Livernois, I am not exactly sure how to pronounce that. They have revealed at SEMA a preloaded tuner that will work with the 1.5 and the 2.0 liter engines, with increases of up to 40 horsepower and 75 foot-pounds of torque with a 93 octane tune. There are also tunes available for 87, 89, and 91. So we've got some new pictures of the Bronco Raptor that came out. As you can see here, I like how the headlights and the running lights are yellow. I think that's really cool looking. It looks like they still got a wrap over this. I'm not sure what color it is underneath it. You see it's got the wide fender flares, similar to the V8 Bronco that we saw earlier. So there's a few other additional pictures there. Looks pretty cool. Looks like it's got a tubular front bumper. So we'll have to see how the rest of that pans out, and if that shows up exactly how we're seeing some of these pictures. Okay, so there's tubular doors now available for the Bronco that you can get from Ford, and those will be arriving at the dealerships by 2022. So you might get a hold of your dealership and see what you can find out about that. I have found pictures on a website that is a Ford website for parts, and it doesn't have prices on there, but they do have them on the website, so you can check with your dealership. Okay, there is one Bronco Sport recall that's getting ready to come out. It's for the Bronco Sports with moonroofs. The moonroof actually could become detached, so those recalls will be going out on November 29th, and it affects about 1,036 vehicles. Alright, the 2022 Ford Bronco will start production at approximately December 15th, and the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport will start production around November 12th. That's all I've got for this week. If you like this content, click subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notifications. and I will see you later.